I'm going to eat for lunch. This is butter naan. This is mutton with curry. And then for Chris, it's a non-veg thali.
Which curry?
This is mutton, guys. I really love mutton. So since the day I reached India, I always order mutton because I really like it.
चेक किया आपने चेक नहीं किया
नहीं अभी तक
चलिए चेक अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम हो स्पाइसी ज़्यादा लग रहा हो तो अभी चेंज करा
No problem.
पॉसिबल डोंट वरी
I like spicy. Thank you.
कहाँ से सर आपने
दुबई
सॉरी
दुबई दुबई
नेक्स्ट
Nice to meet you.
दुबई से मैं वहीं पे
ओह नाइस टू मीट यू बहुत
Thank you.
वेट फॉर ईच अदर
Thank you. So he's just trying to ask me if it's too spicy for me. They're willing to change it, but because I love spicy food, so it's fine.
how is it?
I just tasted the sauce and it's very nice. Let's try to taste the meat. It's paneer. This is paneer, guys. It's like a cottage cheese. So good. It's so nice, guys. Whenever they here in India, you will really taste the real authentic food. Sarap.
Sarap?
Super. Sarap. So good, guys. So our tuk-tuk driver brought us here. I don't know the restaurant name, but I will just write it below. Huh?
Lotus.
It's a Lotus restaurant. I'll just write the restaurant's name below. Very, very nice. The meat is so tender. So I will try the rice, of course, and we will eat by hand. So this is the cottage cheese. What is this? Egg,
No, like vegetable mix.
vegetable mix. Don't worry guys, I wash my hand. But it's not good if you will use your spoon and fork because it's more tastier if you use your hands. Hindi mo ko onion. Onion. But lemon. What's the lemon? Here, before, I never eat fresh onions, but here, I eat fresh onions with lime because that is very tasty. Sarap.
25 है सर ऑफिशियल प्राइस। वैसे प्राइस तो ये देखिएगा 1800, मैंने तो डिस्काउंट करके बताया है। अंदर 16 पैलेस है, पूरा 40.5 किलोमीटर में।
The fort name Agra Fort is not Red Fort and the Red Fort in Delhi. This is the Agra Fort, and this fort is a total area 2.5 kilometer area, and the whole area 90 acres, and this is the largest fort in India. And this fort outside two defense of the fort. First defense water mode, between two wall water there used to be crocodile, and second one is the dry mode, the wild animals here tiger, so nobody could come. This is the defense point, the whole surrounding area of this fort, and you can see the lining stone. So this was the grip for the horses. Whenever Mughal came with elephant horses, they couldn't slip. This was the grip for the horses, anti-skid line. Got it?
So we are going to enter the Agra Fort. So we're going to enter now, and as per our tour guide, Taj Mahal is more expensive than this Agra fort, and those kings used to live here. So means 25% of this part of this Agra Fort is only a place we can visit.
Okay, this is the big ramp over here. So the whenever cross the moat, enemies and could come. See the top holes, these holes, they put hot oil, hot water. So they welcome to the enemies. This is the defense area.
Still oil market there, I think.
No, this is some raining water marker. And you know which stone they made of Taj Mahal?
Marble or something.
Ivory, white.
White marble
Yeah.
and sandstone. And Agra Fort made of sandstone and white marble. So look, both are same, but actual the building of Taj inside the base and Agra Fort, these is stone brick. So they made inside the brick structure, outside they covered by the marble, so Taj Mahal looks white, and here covered by the red stone looks red. But inside the base of brick stone, not solid marble.
It's not so
Even
big.
Taj Mahal is
Okay. It's just outside layer.
layer. Like you know the whole inside like kitchen, bathroom they covered by the tile.
Yeah.
Same like that.
I see.
Hawa Mahal.
Hawa means wind. Mahal means palace. So this was a wind palace the 450 years ago, natural air conditioned. And these all three natural AC. So this was the main room they used to live here. That time no electricity. How can it work for that time? These palace in the wall, it's a hollow wall, empty. From this side it is. So these walls are empty. So between two walls there is a gap. They used to fill water inside.
So it will be remain cold.
Yeah, the summer used to put cold water, so make it cold, and winter used to put hot water, so make it hot. So this is the technology for that time. This was the natural air conditioner. It's called a wind palace. Inside the palace, one more thing, it's like a wall of air. हम लोग बोलते हैं ना दीवारों के कान.
हाँ, there.
So the wall of air, like mobile system. Come this side. So come this side. So one person can be standing like this. So you go other side and talk to each other.
Okay.
That corner.
Hello? Hello, honey? Hello? Yeah, I can also hear you. Yeah.
like in Taj Mahal.
Yeah,
the
yeah,
King
yeah.
Shah Jahan, the guy built the Taj. He was imprisoned here by his son Aurangzeb. Because the Aurangzeb, he want to become a king. Shah Jahan, he spent so much money. I told you the Shah Jahan built white Taj Mahal. He wanted to build another Taj Mahal. That's why the Aurangzeb, he killed all the three brothers. And then father imprisoned here. And then they became a king. When he imprisoned here, at the same time, he watched Taj Mahal. After he become very old and Taj Mahal very far, he couldn't see Taj Mahal clearly. That's why they behind this wall, small piece mirror over there and reflection of Taj in the mirror, then he could see the Taj with the mirror. After 8 years, so then he died in this place. When he died, age 74 years, and his wife, she died age 39 years. It's still closed, we can't go inside. Look at this work, real gemstone. It's still here. Come. There is a real semi-precious stones are there. The local public removed this stone. That's why it is closed. So nobody can go inside. There is a very expensive stone. This is the emerald. Bring one example. And before Taj Mahal, this is not imprisoned room. This was an entertainment room of King Shah Jahan Mumtaz. So this building named Musamman Burj. You know the Musamman Burj? Musamman means jasmine. Burj means tower. Tower like Burj Khalifa.
Ah, yeah.
Made like that. And top of the area like minaret on the top. It's a tower. And there is a fountain made one single piece of marble. And look, this is the gate. That is stone very expensive. It came from Belgium. This is the same stone the Shah Jahan wanted to build another Taj Mahal. This is the name of black onyx. You know the goldsmith. They have a small stone. They will check the gold. This is the same one. They made one single piece of chair. One single piece of chair. All this pillar they not for joint, but this stone broken by the Britishers. Two cannon bomb fire, 1803 from that side. First cannon bomb hit here, they cracked this stone. Second one, look at there is a mark. After cannon bomb reflect here and hit in the corner.
That's a hole.
Yeah, there is a cannon bomb mark.
See the cannon hole, there. You can see the hole.
Why British they didn't destroy this one?
Because they don't want to destroy. They just want to invade and take all the gold and everything.
So that is the private.
Yeah.
This is public.
This public.
This is the code local public.
Local public.
The name of Diwan-e-Aam. So Diwan-e Khas, Diwan-e-Aam, there is a two common place every Mughal building. Diwan means court. Khas for a special. Aam is a local public. This is the local public.
Diwan-e-Aam.
So there is a place the king used to sit. This was a place king used to sit. And side window the king used to sit. Like behind curtain system. And down chair, white chair in the barricade for the minister seat. Where we stand a VIPs outside local public. Whenever local public complaints came here and meet to the king easily. The king listened to the problem, local public. This is the court, Darbar Hall. And outside see the small tomb. Come this side. Look at this is the tomb for British governor. So this guy named John Russell Colvin. He died 1857. 1857 is the first revolt of India. He died in Agra Fort. He wanted to desire to worried here. That's why to worried this place. He's a Northwest Provision governor those days. Now we have seen 25% area, small area. 75% area behind that wall. Still Indian Army live here, nobody can allow.
That's why they don't allow.
So the end of the tomb, this is the main exit door.
Okay.
That's it. So I
We
hope you
started-
enjoy the
we
tour.
started from
We
there.
started from that side.
That side,
Go left side to the enter the palace, Jahangir Palace. We have seen the whole area, the park. We come out same place.
Okay.